This is how we're starting off the morning. Hello. Look up, please.
Hello.
You're here need to brush. Come. Where are we going? To training, track training. Come brush your hair and you can go back to read your book. Hi, faves. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. It's a brand new day here, and mommy's doing what mommy does, taking care of her babies. My baby, big baby, is heading to track training this morning, so he's ready to head out right now. And my little baby is doing what little baby does. Look at her. Sarah, say morning, faves. Look, look, look. Morning, faves. What you doing?
What, you parrot?
What?
What is a parrot?
What is a parrot? Oh, pirate. Okay. Pirate is going to get you. Anyway, you guys, the hamster is off to work. I didn't hear him cough. The hamster is off to work. I didn't hear him cough all night last night, so that's good. I guess the progress. I'm having him wash his throat with lemon and salt and a whole lot of remedies that I'm trying to help him get rid of this cough. Anyway, I am heading out this morning to take Tyler to track training. Yeah, so it's a busy morning and it's cold this morning. Yesterday morning was super cold, so I'm anticipating how cold this morning will be. This weather is just crazy the past few days. But anyway, we give almighty thanks for life. We wake up, we have life, we're breathing. A lot of people didn't wake up to see that, and we consider ourselves privileged. So have a good day. If you haven't said thank you, Lord, for waking me up this morning since you wake up, do it right now, girl, because you didn't have to, okay? But he saw it fit. I'm not going to preach to you this morning, but just say, thank you, Lord, I'm alive. Anyway, you guys, my baby carried puree fruit. Come give me, which means she needs it. You hungry?
Hungry?
Okay. She's too cute. Come for comfort. No, put back that one. Close it. Watch your fingers. Come. Good job. Here. Oops.
Mommy, come up.
It's okay. It's okay. Say thank you, Mama. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Eat your compote. It's okay. She was running to put something down out of her hand to come and get her comfort, and she fell, but it's a good thing that her head missed the table. Oh my gosh. Anyway, you guys, I'm heading out right now, so have a good day. Be kind to somebody. It hurt. It hurt, but I'm hurt. Say it hurt. It's okay. Be kind to one another. Be kind to somebody. And I'll catch you guys throughout the rest of today's vlog. So see you guys later. See you later. Alright, eat your comfort. Guys, we made it to training. Waiting for training to begin with these two. They here saying watcha. Sarah say watcha.
Watcha. Watcha. Watcha. Mama, it's in how many minutes?
It's in 2 minutes. Anyway, you guys, I'm gonna send Tyler off to training, and I'm gonna go plant my butts in a corner on the other field.
My finger.
Look, see him there. See me here. Tai Tai doing his warm-up lap. See me here, Sarah. Say, Ale, Tai Tai.
Ale.
Fini? Just as he finished. You did good. You won. Tai Tai won the warm-up. Look at his little jump. I was training. Good. Ready to go home now to eat lunch. Waiting on the bus to be ready. Sarah, sit. Get down. Don't do that. No jumping, you're gonna get hurt. Go play with Tai Tai. You're gonna get hurt. Go play with Tyler. She's like, he's coming, and I'm gonna hide. Tyler, take time. What she put in her mouth? Take it. C'est quoi ça?
Je sais pas.
Donne-moi. Back. Non, non.
Black. Black, black, black. Mary had a little gee, little gee, little gee. Mary had a little gee, and we said right as blue. And we did me, we went, and we went, Victor's way that no. And then you one day, and then, and giddy, and we
Look at them.
E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, F, L, M.
Oh, it stopped at M. The other elephant, the red one, the red elephant have the rest of the letters behind you. No. Tyler, show her behind you. Ty, behind you. Give her. It have the rest of the letters, Sarah. Look.
X, Y, Z.
Bravo. Z. Ty, you coloring it to discover the letters around?
Yes.
Okay. Pretty love this mat lately. The sunset is just glaring through the door. So pretty. You guys, I'm about to make dinner for the fam bam. Dinner for the fam bam. What protein you guys think is on my menu today? What meat? Let me say meat. Okay, let me break it down. Make it easier. What is the seafood that is on my menu today? Can you guess?
I know.
You know?
Yes.
Dun, 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 dun. Wait, let the face comment. You guys write your comment right now. I'm giving you time. Write the comment right now.
Yeah. I know.
What is happening? No, we did not have any The seafood on the menu today is fish.
I think everybody gets it because it's the easy.
Is the easiest one?
Yes,
Don't
there's
touch.
people
No.
that don't know
Yes,
no
fish.
seafood except fish.
That's not true. All right, you guys. So there you have it. We're having fishy on the menu today. All right, what starch do you think is on the menu today?
What is that starch today?
A starch is. Oh Lord, I don't know how to explain to you. What are we eating with the fish?
Oh.
What do you think? Fish and chips? Fish and potato? Okay, fish and potato, fish and rice, or fish and quinoa? What do you think is the starch?
Fish and potato.
Tyler said fish and potato. Sarah, what you said? Fish and what?
What?
Sarah said fish and what? Okay. Ding, 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 ding. Ding, 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 ding. And the starch for today is rice.
I want potato.
You eat potato, yeah, last night. Starch for today is rice. So we're having fish and rice.
Next one.
And the veggies. What is the veggie for today?
Give us 3 of
Okay, 3 options of veggie is steamed broccoli alone, steamed green beans alone, or ratatouille. Ratatouille is a mixture of different veggies with tomato sauce. Wait. Give Fib some time to write the answer. What do you think we're having for vegetable?
I know.
Tyler.
Steamed green beans.
Tyler said steamed green beans. The
Oh.
answer is ratatouille.
What? I thought it was steamed green beans because the 2 other ones you said it's not right away.
So, there goes the fish. That's
Another one.
finished. There goes the fish that's going in the air fryer. There goes the rice that's steaming. And there goes the ratatouille that's steaming. So that's dinner menu for today. So here is my fish heading into my warm air fryer. And I put a little breadcrumbs on them. And place them right in there and push this back into the air fryer. Voila. Veggies finished. Ready to serve. And rice is done. My kids never end. They have dinner and look at them. Look at them. Look at them. Look at these two. Oh my God. Tell her not giving her sister a break. And Sarah love it. Look at her.
Sorry, but
Look at them. Look at them. And I hear my door opening right now. Who's coming in?
Bonjour tout le monde.
Bonjour, Papa. Sarah, who is that?
Bonjour Sarah.
Bonjour,
Bonjour Sarah.
Sarah.
Bonjour Sarah.
Gilly.
Bonjour Sarah.
Let she answer you.
Bonjour Sarah. Sarah. Bonjour Sarah.
Sarah.
Bonjour Sarah.
No. Bonjour, Papa.
Bonjour, Papa.
Guys, today is my mama's birthday. My mama is 56 years young. Happy birthday, Mama. Happy birthday, Ma. Smartest 25-year-old I've ever seen. When I grow up, don't want to be like Anna. Actually, when I grow up, I want to be like Anna. We were watching this series called Inventing Anna. It's pretty exciting. If you blink while you're watching it, then you miss the storyline. You have to be like.
First episode, the boyest episode.
I fell asleep. I couldn't even
You're
finish.
you're wondering what they want to show you.
The only reason why I'm continuing it is because I started, and whenever I started, I always like to finish. If you guys have watched Inventing Anna on Netflix, comment down below and let me know how you like it. But it's going. I don't even know which episode we are. Which episode we are? 5. 4 more to go, and then we can
I
done.
had to sit on TV.
I'm torturing my husband
True.
for the next 4 seasons.
True.
I made a rule, not we. I made a rule that he gets to choose on our movie nights, then I get to choose the following night.
So since you made that room, we only watch our films.
So my pick was a series, a short series, just 9 episodes.
Of 1 hour.
But babe first pick of Denzel, oh, he knows how to make me fall in love all over again. I'm obsessed. Denzel Washington is my favorite actor. He can do no wrong. Every movie Denzel in I've seen so far, hits after hits after hits. Anyway, my coffin husband is here. He's gonna say hello, not gonna say much.
Hello.
Literally. See, he can't really say more than hello because that's what's gonna happen. Yeah, Almighty put brakes on his troubles for a while, so he won't give me any trouble. But funny enough, I miss him. I miss his little troubles. Oh lordy. Anyway, you guys, I'm coming out the internet. Look at him, you poor thing. I feel so bad for him sometimes. Okay. Your water behind you? Anyway, you guys, coming on to end today's vlog. It wasn't much, but I give you guys what I have. So, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new to the fame game. Catch up and keep up, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.